Hi, my name's Perry from ACS Carpet Cleaning in East Kent. One of the questions that I'm asked every week is, should I bleach clean my carpet? Well, many carpet retailers and even manufacturers' own literature printed by the manufacturer with pictures of pets and children on the carpet will tell you that your carpet may be bleach cleanable. Some carpet retailer websites will tell you exactly how to clean your carpet with bleach. Now, it should be said that if your carpet is made of 100% polypropylene, you can clean it with bleach. But that doesn't mean that you should. After all, you can walk along the fast lane of a motorway, or you can jump out of an airplane without a parachute. But just because you can, it doesn't mean you should. Of course, in the end, it's your carpet. You can do what you like with it, including putting bleach on it. But really, to help you decide for yourself, here are some facts about using bleach. Firstly, bleach can damage the back of your carpet. Although the carpet fibres can tolerate bleach, the back of your carpet may not. When you put bleach on your carpet, some will soak down to the back. This can damage the underlay and the backing of your carpet. Is that what you want? Number two, a bleach is a hazardous chemical and is bad for you if you breathe it in. Bleach must be neutralised to become inert. If you don't neutralise it, it remains active. There is the potential for chemical burns to you, your children, visitors, or even your pets. Again, is that what you want? Thirdly, bleach just doesn't clean very well, and it's bad for our environment. Bleach is really only a disinfectant that also takes out colour. It's not really any better at cleaning than water is, but bleach is a pollutant to air and water if not treated correctly. If you're considering cleaning your carpet with bleach, search the internet for how to clean your carpet with bleach. You'll find a wide variety of advice. Look at the experts, not just general tips from anyone. You'll be told to wear rubber gloves and a mask. This is because bleach is toxic. It's dangerous. You'll be told to use a diluted thin bleach. This is because bleach is toxic and dangerous. You'll be told to rinse it out thoroughly with fresh water, and this is because bleach is toxic and dangerous to leave it in your carpet. Now, after all this, if you choose to use bleach on your carpet, that's up to you. I'm often asked to clean carpets using bleach, and I'm occasionally ordered to clean carpets using bleach. I won't. I never have, and I never will. So please, if you're wanting your carpet cleaned with bleach, don't call me. If you're looking to have your carpets cleaned safely and effectively, then give me a call today or send me an inquiry form if that's better for you. I hope this information has helped.